Today, let's understand what bracket orders are and how to implement them in the broker platform. We will be using interactive brokers as an example. Bracket order combines 3 orders in one. Like the name suggests, bracket orders are designed to bracket your order. This means that along with the initial order, there will be 2 opposite side orders placed as well. This can work for both buy and sell orders. In case the initial order is a buy order, then both the target and stop loss orders will be sell orders. Similarly, when the initial order is a sell order, the other 2 orders will be a buy order. Bracket orders are designed to help limit your loss and lock in a profit by bracketing an order with 2 opposite side orders. A buy order is bracketed by a high side sell limit order and a low side sell stop order. A sell order is bracketed by a high side buy stop order and a low side buy limit order. The order quantity for the high and low side bracket orders matches the original order quantity. Let's understand this using interactive brokers. We wish to buy 1,000 shares of Tesla at a price of no more than $219.50. However, at the same time, we want to determine a stop loss order to sell the shares should the price drop to $218. We also wish to place a profit-taking order in the event that Tesla rises to $221 during the session. Enter the desired ticker and click the buy button, which causes the background to turn blue. Sell orders create a red background. Enter the number of shares to be purchased and select LMT from the order type drop-down menu. Next, set your limit price at which you are prepared to buy shares. Change the time in force or TF field if required. Users may select the time in force field to select a good till canceled duration for the trade. In this example, we are using a day order. Next, click on the advanced button to the right of the TIF field to display more order entry options. Click on the attach button to the right to reveal bracket functionality. By checking the bracket box, users will see that the profit taker and stop loss fields are automatically checked. Enter the desired values for the profit taker limit order, and enter the desired stop limit sell order price. Once again, users may change the TIF if necessary before clicking the submit button to enter the completed order. I hope you understood bracket orders and how to execute it in interactive brokers. If you like the video, consider subscribing to our channel.